Hello guys, welcome to my channel D something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix automatically reducing system volume on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, run the audio, playing audio, click on next button, then make sure that disable all effects sounds, click on apply and OK button, click on close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a control panel, go to your control panel, click on sounds, select a speaker and click on a set default. After that, right click, make sure that show disabled devices and show disconnected devices is make sure that enabled. After that, select the speakers, click on properties and make sure that select the use this device enabled. After that, go to your enhancement tab and make sure that disable all sound effects. Click on apply and OK button. Click on OK button and closed. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager, scroll down, select a sound, video and game controller, select a audio player, right click, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select the hardware, click on next to continue. After I close it and close it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After that, select a sound, video and gaming control, select our adapter driver, right click on uninstall the device, uninstall the device, and after uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.